In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use and turn on dark mode or light mode in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see the changes in context. With your file open, head to the top left corner and click the Figma icon. In the menu that opens, go to Preferences. Under the Themes section, you'll see three choices: Light, Dark, and System. Pick Light if you prefer a bright interface, or choose Dark if you want a dimmer, low contrast interface that many people find easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. If you select System, Figma will automatically follow your computer's operating system theme. That means when your computer switches to dark mode or light mode, Figma's interface will update to match without you doing anything else. A quick but important note: changing to dark mode or light mode affects only Figma's interface panels and toolbars, not the canvas itself. The Layers panel on the left, the toolbar at the top, and the Properties panel on the right will switch themes. But the canvas background, the area behind your frames, stays the same. If you want the canvas to look darker or lighter to match your theme, you'll need to adjust it manually in the right-hand panel. Click on an empty area of the canvas to deselect everything, or select the frame you are working in. Then, in the right-hand panel, look for the background or fill setting. Change that color to a dark gray or black for a darker working surface, or choose white or a light gray for a brighter surface. This is especially useful if you are checking how your colors and contrast will appear against different backgrounds. Remember, what looks perfect on a dark canvas might feel different on a light one, so it can help to preview your work in both. Dark mode can offer a more comfortable viewing experience and help reduce eye strain, particularly when you are designing at night or in dim environments. Light mode, on the other hand, can feel clearer in bright settings, and may be preferable for print-focused work. The good news is that Figma remembers your choice, so once you set your preferred theme, you can simply focus on your design. That's all you need to switch themes and fine-tune your canvas in Figma. Thanks for watching.